we're gonna get wet, and I hear that they have really awesome high-speed water slides, so that's what we're here for.
Go down, baby.
To go fast, okay?
Get
We're gonna do it.
Yeah.
Oh, gross, Emily. Go.
I'm here at Blizzard Beach to get swimming and to get wet and to get a tan.
Okay, we're on a dangerous mission here. We have a camera.
Yeah.
And we're going to go down the river, and it's really lazy because right now we're not even moving.
Now we are. Wait, I'll push you. Ready?
Oh,
Here we go.
oh yeah. Oh, isn't this attractive? Stuffing my bra with a camera pack.
At least you got something to stuff.
You know what? I hope we don't go through like a sprinkler with this thing.
I don't know.
Get the other tube, Emmy, get it! There's one!
Yeah, it's a small one.
How about this one?
All right.
Oh, this is for 2 people.
Damn, we can record ourselves. Sorry.